Here is a completely rewritten, highly engaging, and 100% original script. It uses fresh phrasing, a dynamic structure, and unique sentence construction to ensure it is entirely free from copyright issues, while keeping the viral pacing perfect for a faceless channel. Imagine owning a premium smartwatch that completely eliminates battery anxiety. Imagine a device so well optimized that it easily lasts for days, while delivering the fastest, smoothest performance on the market. This is the exact reality Samsung is creating with the highly anticipated Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. Tech insiders expect Samsung to pull back the curtain on this absolute powerhouse at the next major Galaxy Unpacked event in late July 2026. If you have been holding out for a truly meaningful wearable upgrade, your patience is about to pay off. While the first generation Ultra was incredibly popular, it definitely left room for improvement. Samsung took notes on every piece of user feedback and systematically engineered solutions for the biggest user complaints. The resulting Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is quickly shaping up to be the definitive wearable choice for tech enthusiasts and athletes alike, pushing the boundaries of what a smartwatch can achieve. The very first thing that will catch your eye is the updated aesthetic of this rugged device. Samsung opted to keep the iconic battle-tested titanium housing, ensuring the watch maintains its legendary military-grade durability. It still relies on ultra-tough sapphire crystal to shield the display from scratches, scuffs, and heavy impacts. However, leaked schematics reveal that Samsung has introduced some brilliant visual refinements. The thick black borders framing the display have been shaved down significantly. By shrinking these bezels, Samsung managed to maximize the screen real estate, giving you a much more immersive viewing experience without making the chassis feel massive on your wrist. Additionally, subtle hour markers are now engraved directly onto the bezel area, giving the entire device a clean, high-end timepiece aesthetic. The recognizable orange action button remains on the side of the housing, but it has been reworked into a more streamlined, elegant shape. Even the companion watch bands have received a modern styling refresh, though the system remains backward compatible, so you can easily reuse your older Ultra straps. While the exterior looks stunning, the most revolutionary changes have taken place under the hood. The absolute headline feature for this generational leap is the massive battery breakthrough. The original model relied on a 590 mAh cell, which offered acceptable daily endurance, but failed to truly disrupt the market. For the Ultra 2, Samsung is radically boosting that capacity closer to an unprecedented 800 mAh. To complement this massive physical reservoir, the watch integrates the next-generation Snapdragon Elite processor. This state-of-the-art silicon is engineered specifically to deliver lightning-fast computing while sipping power at an incredibly efficient rate. When you pair this giant battery capacity with an ultra-efficient processor, the daily performance gains are nothing short of spectacular. Early leaks indicate that users can easily cross the 3-day threshold of standard, continuous usage on a single charge. This completely changes the ownership experience, meaning you can finally stop charging your watch every single night. Furthermore, this processing power guarantees that your favorite applications load instantaneously with zero stutter. Navigating the device will feel better than ever thanks to the inclusion of Samsung's latest One UI 9 software environment, which operates seamlessly on top of Wear OS. While the core layout will feel comforting and intuitive to existing users, the background optimization makes everything feel brand new. The operating system introduces completely redesigned watch faces capable of displaying dense, helpful data streams simultaneously. System animations have been completely overhauled to feel incredibly fluid and instantaneous to the touch. This software version also boasts an unprecedented level of Galaxy AI integration. The watch is designed to quietly observe your daily routines, active hours, and sleep cycles to build a personalized wellness profile. Instead of just throwing raw numbers at you, it processes this data to offer highly tailored lifestyle recommendations through the Samsung Health platform, transforming the watch from a passive data logger into an active digital health coach. The internal health tracking architecture is receiving a massive intellectual upgrade as well. Rather than cluttering the underside of the watch with experimental physical sensors, Samsung directed its engineering teams to rewrite the algorithms governing the current sensor array. This software-driven approach means you will experience highly precise heart rate tracking, even during high-intensity interval training, where traditional sensors usually struggle. Sleep monitoring is also getting a massive boost from artificial intelligence, allowing the device to accurately decipher your sleep architecture and offer meaningful advice on how to improve your recovery metrics. For those holding out hope for non-invasive blood sugar monitoring, the latest credible industry reports suggest that technology requires more development and won't debut this year. Even without it, the comprehensive software enhancements make this device an absolute titan for personal wellness management. Another huge win for the consumer comes down to how Samsung plans to sell the device. The initial Galaxy Watch Ultra rollout frustrated many buyers because it was exclusively sold as a high-priced LTE model, forcing everyone to pay extra for cellular modems and data plans they might never use. This time around, highly reliable leaks indicate that Samsung will offer distinct Bluetooth-only and LTE configurations across multiple global markets. This is a massive victory for your budget because if you plan to keep your smartphone nearby, you can opt for the Bluetooth edition and save a substantial amount of money. This simple shift makes the premium Ultra tier accessible to a significantly broader audience of tech fans. Naturally, the core features that made the original watch a success are making a return. You still get hyper-accurate dual-frequency GPS for mapping outdoor runs or deep woods hiking trails. The robust 10 ATM water resistance rating is intact, allowing you to swim or dive without a second thought. It also preserves full offline mapping capabilities, giving you total peace of mind when you venture completely off the grid. Here is my genuine assessment of this upcoming release. If you currently have the original Galaxy Watch Ultra strapped to your wrist, there is really no urgent reason to upgrade immediately, as the aesthetic changes are evolutionary rather than revolutionary. However, if you are currently rocking a much older smartwatch, or if you are completely exhausted by the chore of charging your current wearable every day, the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is a definitive home run. The pairing of a massive 800 mAh battery cell and the cutting-edge Snapdragon Elite chip directly fixes the biggest flaw in the smartwatch industry, which is constant battery anxiety. Offering a more affordable Bluetooth configuration is a brilliant move that respects the consumer's wallet. It is incredibly durable, blisteringly fast, and packed with practical AI features designed to genuinely improve your quality of life. Samsung took an already excellent foundation and refined it to near perfection. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.